Have you ever had one of those days where everything seems fine, but something still feels missing? Every day, we experience things we rarely stop to question. Today, we're asking why modern life makes us lonely. Have you ever noticed something strange? We've never been more connected, yet somehow more people feel alone than ever before. You can message hundreds of people in seconds, scroll through thousands of faces every day, join communities from every corner of the world, and still, many people go to bed feeling like nobody truly knows them. How did that happen? Because maybe modern life didn't remove loneliness, it just became incredibly good at hiding it. So now coming into the new kind of loneliness, where imagine this. It's Friday night. You're sitting on your bed, phone in your hand. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. One app after another. Hours pass. You laugh, you watch, you react. But when you finally put the phone down, the room is silent. And somehow, you feel even lonelier than before. Why? Because your brain was surrounded by people, but your heart wasn't connected to anyone. There's a huge difference between being surrounded by content and being understood. Modern life often gives us the first, very rarely the second. Then we meet more people, but no fewer. Not long ago, people saw the same neighbors every week. Families ate together. Friends met without planning months ahead. Conversations happened because there wasn't much else competing for attention. Today, we meet more people than any generation before us. Online, at work, on social media, through games, through endless content. But many of those interactions last only seconds. A like, a comment, a quick reply. Our social lives became wider, but much shallower. It's like drinking seawater. The more you consume, the thirstier you become. Next, we started performing instead of connecting. Here's something modern life quietly teaches us. Don't show who you are. Show the best version of yourself. Post the perfect picture, the perfect vacation, the perfect relationship, the perfect success story. Little by little, we stop asking, will people understand me? And start asking, will people like me? The problem is, people can admire your image without ever knowing the real you. And nothing feels lonelier than pretending to be someone else just to belong. Then we avoid silence. Loneliness isn't always caused by being alone. Sometimes it's caused by never allowing ourselves to actually sit with ourselves. The moment boredom appears, we reach for the phone. The moment silence arrives, we turn on music. The moment uncomfortable feelings appear, we distract ourselves. Modern life gives us endless escapes, but every escape delays an important conversation, the one with ourselves. Ironically, the people who become comfortable being alone often become much better at connecting with others because they stop needing people to fill an empty space. Instead, they simply enjoy sharing life with them. So, finally, real connection takes time. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Real friendships are slow. Real trust is slow. Real love is slow. None of them can be built with endless scrolling or instant messages alone. They're built through small moments, walking together, laughing together, sitting in silence, listening without checking notifications every few minutes. Modern life trains us to expect instant everything, but meaningful relationships have never worked that way. They grow quietly, almost invisibly, Until one day, you realize someone truly knows you. Maybe modern life isn't making us lonely because people disappeared. Maybe it's because our attention disappeared first. We've become experts at staying connected, but beginners at being present. And perhaps the cure for loneliness isn't finding thousands of new people. Maybe it's giving one person, including yourself, your full attention. Because in a world that's constantly asking you to look everywhere, real connection begins the moment you truly look at someone, including the person in the mirror. So tonight, before you open another app, before you scroll one more time, ask yourself one simple question. When was the last time someone truly saw the real me? And maybe even more importantly, when was the last time I truly saw someone else? Because sometimes the shortest distance between two people isn't the internet. It's one honest conversation. Maybe it's because we rarely stop long enough to notice what really matters. So in every week, we unpack another mystery of human being. Next time, we'll explore another one. Why modern life ruined our attention span.